Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Valentine's Balloons is probably one of the most versatile and delightful ways to express your love and affection this Valentine's Day, offering a vibrant and cheerful alternative to traditional gifts that can instantly brighten any space and create a festive atmosphere for your celebration, making them a perfect choice for surprising your special someone with a touch of romance and joy that will surely be remembered. Number 5. Pastel Colorful Heart Balloons. Add a splash of color to your next event with these beautiful heart-shaped balloons. They come in a variety of vibrant colors, perfect for any festive occasion. This pack includes 10 large 18-inch balloons in stunning shades of blue, yellow, pink, green, and purple. They're the perfect size to make your party decorations truly memorable. Crafted with high-quality aluminum foil and advanced embossing technology, these balloons are durable and safe. They feature neat edges and vibrant colors, ensuring they look great and are non-toxic. Easily inflate them with air or helium, and they're ready to go. The set includes a straw and ribbon for convenience, and you can even deflate them for reuse later. From birthdays and Valentine's Day to weddings and baby showers, these balloons are incredibly versatile. They're ideal for creating festive atmospheres and stunning photo backdrops. Please note that slight color variations may occur due to production batches. To ensure they last, avoid overinflating or rubbing them with sharp objects. What we like? If you're looking for a vibrant and versatile balloon set, these are a fantastic choice. The variety of rainbow heart colors and the generous 18-inch size make them perfect for any festive occasion. Plus, their reusability means you can enjoy them for multiple celebrations. What people say? The balloons are a good size and hold helium well. The heart shape is very cute and the color is vibrant. They were easy to inflate and looked great for the party. Number 4. Hot Pink White Heart Balloons. Create a romantic and cheerful atmosphere for your special event. These balloons are perfect for adding a beautiful touch to any celebration. Crafted from premium, thicker latex, these balloons are built to last. They are compatible with both helium and air, resisting breakage for flawless decorations. Ideal for a wide range of celebrations like Valentine's Day, weddings, birthdays, and baby showers. Their delightful color and shape instantly elevate the mood. Inflate them easily with a pump or helium, then secure with the included ribbon. Decorating is quick and effortless with these easy-to-assemble balloons. Your satisfaction is our top priority. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you for a delightful experience. What we like? For a touch of chic romance, consider these hot pink and white heart balloons. Their premium, thick latex ensures they stay inflated and looking great throughout your event, making them ideal for weddings, anniversaries, or any sophisticated celebration. What people say? The balloons are a good size and hold air well. The design is very cute and festive, perfect for Valentine's Day. They were easy to inflate and looked great once set up. Number 3. Valentine's Day Balloons Kit VA-BA-01. Make your special occasions unforgettable with our comprehensive Valentine's Day Balloons Kit. It's designed to add a touch of romance and celebration to any event. This value pack includes everything you need, from latex and foil balloons to confetti and heart shapes. With plenty of balloons, strings, and even rose petals, your decorating needs are fully covered. Crafted from high-quality, safe materials, these balloons are durable and easy to inflate without easily breaking or leaking. Their vivid colors perfectly capture the festive spirit. Setting up your decorations is a breeze with the included tools and adhesive dots. You can easily recreate the stunning arrangements shown in our product images. Enhance the romantic ambience with 200 artificial rose petals. Made from eco-friendly fabric, they add a beautiful, non-fading touch to your decor. Perfect for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, weddings, or any romantic event. This set is ideal for creating a loving atmosphere in your home or venue. What we like? If you want to go all out with romantic decor, this massive 101 pack is for you. The rose gold and pink theme, combined with the included rose petals, creates an incredibly immersive and romantic atmosphere, perfect for Valentine's Day or a special anniversary. What people say? The balloons are a good size and hold helium well. The design is very cute and festive, perfect for Valentine's Day. They are made of durable material and did not pop easily. Number 2. 24 CT Premium Latex Valentine's Day Balloons. Make your celebrations unforgettable with our premium latex balloons. Perfect for Valentine's Day, graduations, or any party, these balloons add a touch of elegance. Choose from a stunning palette of red, scarlet, and dazzling glitter. These colors are sure to make your decorations pop and impress your guests. Each balloon measures a generous 12 inches, providing a significant visual impact. They are the perfect size to create stunning balloon arrangements and displays. Beyond Valentine's Day, these versatile balloons are ideal for graduations and general party decorations. Elevate any event with their festive charm. Crafted from high-quality latex, these balloons are designed for durability. Enjoy long-lasting inflation and vibrant appearance throughout your event. Let these beautiful balloons add a special sparkle to your cherished moments. They are the perfect way to express love and celebrate milestones. What we like. For a timeless and dazzling Valentine's Day look, you can't go wrong with these premium red and glitter balloons. The classic color combined with the sparkling glitter is perfect for creating a festive and eye-catching display for any party. What people say. The balloons were a good size and held air well. The design was exactly as pictured and very festive. They were easy to inflate and looked great for the party. Number 1. Golray I Love You and Heart Balloons with Rose Petals. Celebrate your special moments with this romantic balloon and rose petal kit. It's the perfect way to add a touch of love to any occasion. Create a dreamy atmosphere with 40 I Love You and heart-shaped balloons. The included 1,000 dark red silk rose petals will transform your space into a romantic haven. Make this Valentine's Day unforgettable. This kit provides everything you need to set a loving mood for your celebration. Beyond Valentine's, it's also ideal for weddings and parties. Use these decorations to enhance any event with a theme of love and affection. This all-in-one decoration set includes balloons and realistic silk rose petals. It offers a beautiful and comprehensive solution for your decorative needs. Setting up a beautiful romantic scene has never been easier. These decorations are designed for simple yet stunning visual impact. What we like. If you're aiming for an over-the-top romantic gesture, this kit is your best bet. With a large pack of I Love You and heart balloons, plus an abundance of rose petals, it's designed to create a truly memorable and passionate setting for Valentine's Day or a wedding. What people say. The balloons were a good size and held air well. The heart shape was perfect for Valentine's Day. They were easy to inflate and looked great in photos. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.